Hello, everybody. My name is Belsi Midongshu, and I am a biochemistry major. I am in Dr. Allen's class, and we'll be doing a exam 3 correction problem, and it reads, a 6.0 meter long uniform plane has a mass of 51 kilograms. It is hanging on a vertical rope on the left end and another vertical rope 2.0 meters from the right end. A person whose mass is 81.6 kilograms stands on the plank 1.5 meters from the left end of the plank. What is the tension of the rope? So we already have this figure drawn. We got the stick figure, we got a tension, but we put force in there. And we have 1.5 from the left side, 2 meters from the right side. And we went ahead and got 799.68. We derived that by getting the stick figures or the person's weight, which was 81.6, and multiplied it by 9.80. And we got 799. And we did the same thing with the plank by saying 51 plus 0 times 9.80. And we got that. So because we're trying to find tension and because we're given the radius and the mass, we automatically know we're going to be dealing with torque. And there's two things to find torque, or two things we must establish to find torque. And this is done by setting it in equilibrium. So we got F net equals to 0 and torque net is equals to 0. So the first step we do is to try to find our pivot point. Our pivot point, we derived it, we found it here on the left side because it's convenient, and so that we can set it, the F1 tension 1 equals to 0. So we got tension net equals to negative tension of weight 1. We set it to negative because it's going clockwise, also because it's going down. So we got torque 1, weight 1 plus negative torque weight 2 plus torque F2, because we're trying to find for the torque of F1, which is also known as force, and then F2 torque 2. So we said equals to 0. So we said negative R1 times weight 1 minus R2 weight 2 plus R3 and F2. R2 is derived because the plane is 6.0 meters long. We divided it by 2. So therefore, if we divide it by 2, that means half of one side is 3, and the other half is also 3. So that's our torque 2. Our R3 is derived from 6 minus 2. And then you add it to the 1.5 plus the 3. So we got R1, weight 1, plus R2, weight 2, equals to R3, F2. And then you divide the R3 from both sides to get F2. So we got F2 equals to R1, weight 1, plus R2, weight 2, and divided by 3. And when we plug it in, we got an R1, which is 1.5, the weight 1, which is 799.68, plus we derive an R2, which is 3 meters, and then weight 2, which is 499.8, and then we divide it by 4, which is the R3, and we get 674.73. Then we go to our second equation, and because we did the torque net, now we have to do the F net. And F net equals to 0, so we got F1 plus F2 minus weight 1 minus weight 2. We already know our F2. That's what we found. So F1 equals to negative 674.73 plus 799.68 plus 499.8 newtons. And when we add it all up, we should get 674 plus 3 plus 799 plus 68. And we get 624.75. And this is how we solve for this problem. Thank you.